to Home Cooking with Somjit. It has been some time since I make dessert, and today is a good day. My friend has invited me for dinner, and I'm planning to make coconut jelly. So I just went out and I bought this fresh coconut to make a coconut jelly. Let's get started. Alright, all here are my ingredients to make the jelly. So I have 500 ml of the coconut water here, and about 500 ml of the coconut milk, and this is the coconut flesh that I took it from the coconut and then slice it, and 200 gram of sugar, and I'm using this jelly powder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour in all the coconut water in the pot, and followed by the concentrate coconut milk. This one I use fresh coconut. If you don't have fresh coconut, the coconut in the box will do as well. So I'm putting in the sugar, and I'm putting in the jelly powder. Stir them until the sugar and the jelly powder is dissolved. This jelly powder is the brown color. So now my coconut jelly will be slightly brown. And now I'm going to put them in the heat. Okay, so I'm going to put them in the heat. Just keep stirring it. And so the mixture is boiling. They really boil, so I'm going to switch off the heat. Continue to stir until to just release some of the heat from the mixture before I pour it into the mold. So I'm going to pour them into the mold. I'm going to spread this coconut stripe. So once put it in the tray, we cannot move or cannot touch, or else it cannot set. So I'm going to leave it here to set. The coconut jelly is already hardened, and cut it. So this is the coconut jelly. It has two tones. Look at the top layer is the coconut milk, and the bottom layer is the coconut water. Shalene is having coconut jelly. How's the coconut jelly, Shalene?
Good and sweet, and I love it because it's delicious. super, super, super cool.
Super cool. Is it nice?
Yes,
Do you like it?
yes.
Do you want it some more?
No.
Oh, I think yeah.
Salt. Be careful.
Yeah. Thinking very good.
Good.
Nắm chặt thật rồi. Nhâm, nhâm, nhâm. Beautiful color.
Beautiful color.